Few places in the country have been harder hit by the housing crisis than western Contra Costa County. That's where Congressman John Garamendi was today. He's urging the Senate to pass comprehensive home lending reform. Carmela and Troy Hess worry they'll lose their Concord home unless they can reach an agreement with the bank to keep it. Troy is a disabled firefighter and paramedic, injured rescuing people from a burning building in Oakland in 2004.
I blew out my right knee, my right hip, and my lower back. And that was pretty much the end of my career.
Carmela is also a paramedic, and she's been unable to find work. They say despite good credit and a perfect payment history, the bank has refused to modify their loan 9 times.
Having good credit, paying your bills on time, never having any issues, really amounts to nothing.
But in Antioch today, they found a glimmer of hope that they may be able to save their home.
We need to make sure that those homes that have not yet been foreclosed, that they have a chance to turn things around, to gain some time, and to go back and keep their homes.
Congressman John Garamendi's district has been devastated by the housing crisis. There have been 27,000 foreclosures in Antioch alone. Houses like this now sit empty. He's urging the Senate to pass the Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act.
The Senate must act on this. We have to get this done.
It's already passed the House. If it gets to the president's desk, the bill would create a consumer protection agency, require lenders make sure borrowers can afford the loans, prohibit predatory lending that's been blamed for the crisis, establish penalties against lenders and mortgage brokers, and provide financial assistance to distressed homeowners like the Hesses. It will also help communities like Antioch recover from the housing crisis, providing $1 billion to clean up and renovate foreclosed homes.
The foreclosed homes, the banks aren't cleaning up the front yards as they should. So it's making the whole neighborhood go down.
Well, that bill is expected to come up for a vote by mid-July. Most Republicans and banks are against the measure, saying the bill just goes too far. As for the Hess family, though, a subsidiary of Wells Fargo Bank holds their loan. The bank told us today it is continuing to review the Hess's loan to determine an affordable option to help them keep their home.